Okay, so I got these switches. They are, I think like Kailh switches, a switch tester. And I'm gonna be opening them today. Here they all are. They're out here. Yeah, I guess I'll just be placing them in. See you when that's done. Alright, I've got them all finished. Yes, I have no clue what any of them are except for box jades, box navies. I think that's it. Maybe box whites. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it's just a guess. It will upload a full sound test with this. I'll just show some clicking and then yeah. Alright, they are all in. And I'll just do a quick little sound test for you. So, here's the first one. Next one. Another one. Another one. I'm gonna save this one for middle because it's my favorite switch I've ever heard. I want to experience it. At the end. This one. This one. This one. This one. And then this one. If someone finds out that I've like done this wrong, please tell me. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you later. Peace out.